Okay, in my school, there's this thing called Dinosaur Club, and the person who runs it, I'm not gonna say his name, because of privacy reasons. Anyway, there's this card. I didn't actually get it from Dinosaur Club. Someone just gave it to me, and I'm not lying here. This is literally what it's called. Anomalopteryx. Okay, that's normal. Didiformis. I'll read it again. Anomalopteryx didiformis. I am not lying. It's literally didiformis. Like what? 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 I know I can't show you guys it, but still. What? Anomalopteryx, normal. It's like a bird thingy. Didiformis. Anyway, bye.